Shock's already leaking grease or oil, whatever they have in there. So I'll be replacing both of them, because when one goes bad, the other one goes bad right after. So yeah. Just getting in the way. Oh, my gun didn't fit, so they're not even that tight, so yeah. Damn, that shit was tight. Oh, it's hot. I'm gonna be replacing my airbags because this one has a leak. It's leaking a lot of air, so I gotta remove it and put a new one on both sides. So I'm gonna be switching out this part because look at all the play it has, and I'm gonna put in a new one. I didn't even have the clips that go in there. I mean the clip, this one does, so that way the nut won't come out. I was missing a tool to put it here and push it out. That's why it took me a while, but it's good now, so yep. This bolt is kind of tricky to remove because it's like so long and it'll get stuck in that hole. So, well, actually, before I put it in there, I'm gonna add some of this. So I already put the bolt in there, so I just need to put the one that goes here and then just tighten it up. I already put the bolt in the nut, and that's basically it. One on the bottom and that. Yeah, this truck's like kind of dirty, so I should probably take it for a wash. Yeah, and don't forget to add this. This is very helpful because those nuts can get tight and hard to take them off.